The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. Once upon a time there was a shepherd boy. He used to graze a flock of sheep outside his village. One day a piece of mischief entered his head. He cried out loudly, "Wolf, wolf!" The villagers just came out of their houses to help him. They came with large sticks to beat and drive away the wolf. When they came to the boy, he began to laugh. They understood that actually there was no wolf. They went away disappointed. The next week the naughty boy repeated the same mischief. The villagers came again with sticks. They were very much annoyed when they found that again the boy had raised a false alarm. A few days later the foolish boy again cried out loudly, "Wolf, wolf!" This time nobody came to his help. This time Wolf had really came, and Wolf killed a number of boy's sheep and badly wounded him also. Moral: once a liar, always a liar. Please like and subscribe video.